Hello everyone, welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. Today we will show you how to use Elytra in Minecraft. So let's get started. The materials you will need is one Elytra. It is usually found in the end city, which is accessible through the end portal. And you also need some fire rockets. Now equip the Elytra in the chestplate slot of your character. Now while having the rocket on one hand, press right click. Look up to the sky while doing this. It will lift you up. Control your flight using your movement keys. Look up to gain altitude, down to descend, and steer left or right to change direction. Press right click and use another rocket in the air to get more lift up or go further. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to 5 Minute Solution channel for more Minecraft tips.